address any problem with performance objectives of your team members when you coach in the workplace. Hey everyone, I am Wong. I am a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. In this video, I share about the concept of coaching in the workplace. When you help to unleash the potential within a direct report, you play the role of a leader as a coach. Coaching in your workplace encourages your employees at all levels to ask for feedback. In turn, your team members take proactive action to improve their performance, and at the same time, you help to motivate them to achieve their own career goals by achieving the performance standards set by the company. Workplace coaching isn't just about improving an individual's skills in your workplace. Workplace coaching takes learning to an even deeper level because you, as the coach, are helping your team member or direct report to peel each of the different concepts of performance. So you are going below the surface and deal with a performance issue. Learning to coach anyone on a career track is also having concrete long-term goals decided together with your direct report. As a coach, it is your job to help your direct reports and employees to identify goals that are crucial for them to succeed in their career and their job, and then set the individual on a realistic path to achieve those goals.